Hey everybody, in this short ukulele video, I'm going to teach you how you can take a standard fingerstyle pattern and make it about 10 times cooler just by adding one little nuance. If you're new to this channel, this is Ukulele Zen. I post videos here each and every week. Been teaching for over 25 years. There's a lot of goodness here at the channel for you to benefit from, so hope you'll check out some of the other videos that I post here. The finger picking pattern we're going to be using is thumb, index, middle, ring, and we'll be adding a special pair of accents to make this so cool. This pattern works on high G or low G tuned ukuleles, and we're going to go over it with 3 chords, the same 3 chords used in a John Prine song, Speed of the Sound of Loneliness. Now there are 3 steps to this lesson. First is just to get comfortable with the finger pattern, thumb, index, middle, ring. Second step, we'll play it faster with some chords. Third step, we're going to put the special sauce on, which is going to 10x your musicality. So please drop your hand on a G major chord. The 3 chords we'll be playing are G, C, and D7. Let's start with G and place your thumb on the 4th string, index on the 3rd string, middle on the 2nd string, ring finger on the 1st string. Notice how they're all planted, everything feels relaxed, and now we're going to play this pattern 4 times on each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumb, index, middle, ring. 2 more times. Change to C. Try to get a smooth tone. Feel your fingers follow through the strings. See if you can make the notes overlap. And back to G. Back to G. And you see at the very end, I dropped a pinky down there to make a melodic suspension on top of the G. All right, it's time for step 2. We're going to play the same pattern over the same chords, just faster. Now, as we practice things faster, try to keep it relaxed. And if you'd like to explore some of the many nuanced details of fingerstyle technique, check out the link in the comment below or in the video description. It's a whole course I created where I share secrets of classical guitar technique with you so you can get a bigger tone, play with sweet tone, and with ease. So let's do this together now. We're going to start together on G. 1, 2, 3, 4. G. Come home late and you come home early. Come home feeling really small. You come home straight and you come home curly. Now I'd like to share with you the special sauce which will create so much more groove in your fingerstyle pattern, and it's all about finding the accents between the thumb and the ring finger. Let's jump into this right now. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Hope you'll subscribe to this channel and share this video with your ukulele music-loving friends. Now let's take a listen to the pattern with and without accents. Here, without accents, every note is essentially the same volume. And it's grooving along just fine. Sounds cool. Now listen to what happens when I add an accent on the ring and the thumb. Now, if you listen to this tune and many others at this tempo, you'll find that this extra accent really helps to drive it along. It changes it from 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a to this. 1E, a 2E, a 3E, a 4E, a 1E, a 2E, a 3E, a 4. That is got so much more groove, and it's a nice thing to try out. So the way to do this is to bring out the accents on some fingers and to play the other fingers softly. So we accent thumb, soft index, soft middle, accent ring, thumb. And for now, really exaggerate. Ring, thumb. Ring, thumb. You could pause the video and just practice this a few times. And then when you're ready to pick it up, it sounds like this. ring thumb. Ba-dum-dum, da-da-da-dum-dum. So the secret is to accent, follow through on the string, and make the other fingers that you're not accenting really quiet. Try this out. Let me know how it goes in the comment section below. Just a quick tip to help you make this pattern even more musical. Hope you're doing well. Appreciate you watching. Hope you'll follow me into this next video with more fingerstyle tips for you to enjoy. Have fun jamming your ukulele. La na 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 na.